The kitchen again with Chef Ricardo, juice bar and salad bar. Anyway, we're going to do you a nice lovely, I have some leftover fried rice and I want to make a lovely salad to bring to work the next day. This is what is coming on there. I was saying to myself, say, what can I make with this lovely salad, with this lovely stir fry rice? This stir fry rice only have chicken, sweet corn and green peas. The video for this link for this recipe is on my YouTube channel. Oh, I did my fried rice. It's amazing, guys. Go over, check it and see. I'm gonna make a lovely stir fry rice salad to bring to work with you or whatever. Anyway, follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description box. Click on the link, go over, watch the video and tell me exactly what do you think about it. So let's see how we do it in the kitchen today with Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. Nice and beautiful. So basically, I see right over here we shall start to prep up some red onion and carrot. So I'm gonna pop the red onion straight inside of it like this. Spring onion, tomato, just gonna be using 2 tomatoes just to, you know what I mean, bringing up the dryness of the rice and also a lot of flavor to it. Got some more spring onion, which we're just gonna pop the spring onion straight inside of it. Here we got cucumber, which is very good. Lovely. All I'm going to do now is pop a little bit of chili, dry chili. Very nice, and that the dry chili just bring in a lovely flavor to it also. Just give it a mix. And definitely you guys can make this at home. Not only that, what I'm going to do is pop a little bit of mixed leaf, not too much mixed leaf to it, just pop a little bit. So definitely it's gonna come in really handy to it also. Nice. Secondly, this is what's gonna happen.